Hey YouTube, this is my review and first look at Windows 7 by Microsoft. Here I have build 7100 evaluation copy, which is the release candidate, which is almost the final version. So first let's look at the taskbar, which has been renamed to be the Superbar. Superbar now has the same start menu as Vista, but one of the main features is this new big icons, which has been made for touch screens mainly. But they also let you to hover over, and they give you a preview of what's in that program. And you can also just right click and you get a jump list. A jump list is something that allows you to see your recent activity in that program. So in Internet Explorer, it shows me the most recent things I did and favorites, etc. If you go to the other side of the Superbar, you will see you have the normal things like language, extra programs, messages, your Wi-Fi or your network connection, your sound, you have the mixer when you open it, and then you have your normal date, time, and then show desktop. Show desktop is the same button that's in Vista, but you hover over it, and just to show you guys an example, just open some stuff. Hover over it, and it just shows your desktop. So then you also have your widgets. Your widgets are no longer in a sidebar, but floating around. They do lock in to the sides of the screen, if you want them to, but they're just moving freely around. You still use the same way of downloading widgets as in Windows Vista, as in Windows 7. So another new feature is in their programs. In Paint, you can see that they revamped it a bit by adding a new ribbon style like in Microsoft Office 2008. Now you still have all your normal shapes, but you get a wider variety, and you also get more dual colors, and most importantly, or most changed, is the brushes. Now you have a pen style, you can have a brush, like a paintbrush, you can have a crayon, many options. You can have a marker, pencil, crayon for shading or something. And it's really good to have those features, like in case you're someone going to computer really fast, color something in or a shape. It's good to have that. You also have calculator is updated, and it's a pretty significant update as it allows you to do more features. This is your statistics calculator. You have a programmer's calculator, a scientific calculator, and the standard calculator. So now we're going to look at resizing windows. So if I open my Internet Explorer here and minimize it, you can resize it by dragging to one side, and gives you a half screen, and that's good for multitasking. So if I want to drag this to one side, I can do multitask. And you can also, if you drag to the top, it gives you a full screen of that window. Last but not least, there is personalization for Windows 7. Basically, that lets you change themes. There's different themes come with different picture slideshows in the background, different colors for the toolbars and the windows, and different sounds. You can also create your own themes by making your own pictures, creating your own colors, and choosing your own sounds. And optionally, there is screensavers that you can add. They're still the same screensavers though as in Windows Vista. That's my first look and review of Windows 7 build 7100. There are not many major changes as in the final version. That's what Microsoft stated. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and of course subscribe.